In the last segment, we talked about how to make sure your orders go out without a hitch. But let's take a step further and talk about how to manage a busy day when you have multiple orders. That could be 3, 4, 5, 6, or more orders. So if you go to our reporting module and you look at our kitchen and production reports, you can actually pull up an aggregate report for the day. And if you have multiple locations, you can break that down by location or by stations. So if you have a particular part of your restaurant or particular person who handles a certain aspect of your catering, they can have a report relating to them. In fact, let's just show that a pit station. And I'm going to select multiple days just so we'll have lots of orders. But we can assume it's one day or a weekend. You want to see what's coming up. Either way, you're still going to get the same aggregate information. So as you see, the reports are broken down in chronological time, and it shows what needs to be produced out of the pit station. So in this particular case, for this order, they need 42 pounds of fresh pulled pork shoulder, 31 and a quarter slabs of ribs, and 125 pieces of chicken. And if you go order by order and you go all the way down to the bottom, you get a grand total for the time frame that you picked on the report, what you need. So this helps you plan from a production standpoint what needs to be produced. So for this particular, let's just assume it's a busy day, we need 1,435 pieces of chicken, 481 pounds of pork, and almost 359 slabs of ribs. So this takes the human factor out of the equation. Literally anybody can run this report and know exactly what needs to be produced for a catering day. Now if we go back to our kitchen and production reports and we want to look at our supplier report, and we'll do it for a shorter time frame, and we want to show food cost data. We're going to run that report, and it will break down for each order what you need to have on hand from each vendor and your cost. And at the very bottom, you get a grand total for that time frame. So this is great if you have to order in supplies for a week in advance or 3 days in advance. You can pull up this report and know exactly what you need to have in inventory and what it's going to cost you. One of the other reports that's going to help you with the busy day is your order labels. And we created this so there's no confusion going out what's in each bag or box, so nothing gets left behind. So I'll show you how that works. So this is for John Doe of AstraZeneca, who we took the order for, and as we and these labels, you can print this. This is a PDF. You can print on any Avery 6-up shipping label. And so as you're putting the order together, you're going to put bag 1 would have the food, bag 2 would have the drinks, bag 3 would have the desserts, bag 4 would have the paper products. And then you put 1 of 4, 2 of 4, 3 of 4, 4 of 4. So what this does is it makes sure that everybody knows there's 4 bags or boxes going out the door, no more, no less, so you ensure that nothing gets left behind, and by putting what's in each bag or box, you know what's in there. So that's a great report to help out on a busy day. And then we have one more that I think you'll get a lot of use out, which is the delivery schedule. And we're going to run this for multiple days, assuming just so we can pull up a lot of delivery. So we can put in the delivery time, the pickup time, what time the driver needs to pick it up, or we can modify it. It shows when the order needs to be delivered by, who the customer is. We have a hyperlink to the order, and we can specify which driver. So if Dave is taking this order, we put it there. And with this email link, you can email this report to all your drivers or whoever's coordinating your delivery, and you have a hyperlink to the delivery address with the Google map for that person. So as you'll see, there's lots of great reports to help you manage a busy catering day in your restaurant, and that's our goal, is to help you get to that point where you're relying on these reports.